For this beautiful and soft bread, we need 350 grams of flour, 200 grams of beetroot, is already cooked, half glass of water. In the water I put 12 grams of fresh yeast, but you can use also the dry yeast. I don't make the proportion because last time with the ciabatta bread I make a big mistake. It was a big confusion. In the flour I add already 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt, and after, when we will mix everything, we will add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Now I will mix the beetroot in the mixer, and after we mix all the ingredients together. After that the dough is ready, we should weigh the dough double. So see you later. After 2 hours, we put a little bit of flour on the top here, our dough, flour again, and with a glass we cut our dough. And after we need to cut with a knife too, but I'll show you now. Our loaf of bread are ready. I use 7 half discs for each loaf of bread. Now we on the oven at 200 Celsius degree. When we reach the temperature, with the remnant milk, we sprinkle a little bit on the bread and we bake for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes at 200 Celsius degree, they are ready, but now they are very hot. So before that we can taste it, or before that you will cut it, you need to wait that the bread reach the room temperature. So see you later. spectacular. I'm testing it with homemade peanut butter. You will see this video in the future. Plus, I want to show you how they are very soft. They will be perfect for a hamburger. So probably tonight I will cut maybe the bigger one in two. I will use to make a hamburger, spectacular hamburger. Plus, I received the knife for the bread. And like you notice, also if the bread is very soft, cut the bread perfectly. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave a like it, to share this video with your friends. If you try to make it, please let me know down in the comment. Bye bye.